Introducing Ultranet Fiber, a breakthrough in medical sutures. Developed with ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, Ultranet Fiber delivers strength and precision like never before. Ultranet Fiber is designed with innovative braiding technology that ensures superior knot integrity and handling. It's up to 5 times stronger than stainless steel sutures, providing superior durability where it matters most. The white braided design, coupled with a blue tracer, enhances visibility and control during complex procedures. Whether it's the smooth, lubricious surface for effortless knot sliding or its exceptional flexibility and abrasion resistance, Ultranet Fiber is built for efficiency. Combining strength, corrosion resistance, and low friction, it redefines what's possible in high-performance suturing. Unlike traditional stainless steel sutures, Ultranet Fiber is fully MRI compatible, ensuring uninterrupted imaging for worry-free procedures. And for patients, this means greater comfort and a more pleasant healing experience throughout recovery. Ultranet Fiber has proven its versatility in a variety of surgical applications. From rotator cuff repairs to ACL/PCL reconstruction, sternum closures, and Achilles tendon surgeries, it's the ideal solution for tendon, bone, and ligament connections. Made from polyethylene, this uncoated suture features an undyed design with a blue tracer for optimal visibility. Available from size 6-0 to size 5, it causes no tissue reactivity, making it the perfect choice for orthopedic and sports injury surgeries, as well as sternum closures. For any inquiries regarding Ultranet Fiber, feel free to connect with the Suture Planet team. Visit our website at www.sutureplanet.com for additional information. Thank you.